Hey guys, we had a little hiccup at the Dreams Vista Cancun, but you know, as they say, apologies are more than just words, and they said sorry by giving us this suite. Let's take a look around. Again, I don't want to be in the video, so the angles are a little bit weird. Bathroom 1. As you can see, the living room with a bar area, kitchenette area. The bedroom. The storage and closet area. I mean, I prayed right before this trip and I said, God, let this trip be a fruitful one where undeniably we know that you have us in your hands. We pray for safety. And then I said favor. And all I meant was favor for safety. But what I got instead was favor for overall, like in life. And so our amazing concierge, Margarita Lovera, you queen, gave us this room. Remember, we had that swim up before. Take a look at this swim up now. Take a look at this swim up now. I'm gonna take the room without me being in it. Fast. There's so many mirrors, I can't even avoid the mirrors, but do you see all of this goodness? I'm gonna swing back around because Odie's on this side. No humans ever. No humans allowed in room tours. Let me skip over him. We have a little garden over there. Isn't this incredible? Thank you for watching. Come to Dreams Vista Cancun. But don't come here without letting me know. And then when you're here, give me and Odie the credit. Let them know that you saw this video. And also tell Miss Margarita Lovera that your friends sent you. This is freaking breathtaking.